Hi class, my name is Matthew Sokol and I'm going to be your instructor for Math 140 for the online winter session. Our course starts on Tuesday the 22nd and it's going to go for about 3 weeks and it's going to go fast. So what I want to do in this video is I just want to give you a quick introduction to the course, how it's set up, um, and kind of what the expectations are and what you should be doing each week. Okay. So when you log into the classroom, this is exactly what you see. You'll come into the announcement section and you'll get an announcement from me probably every other day, just kind of like letting you know what you should be working on, any relevant information. But this is kind of our starting page for the class. Next over here, you're going to see a tab called Outline and Overview. You click on that. This is our course syllabus for the semester. I'll talk about this in a second. But you should download it and review it, even though I'm going to talk about it. And throughout the course, I'm going to be holding some online Q&A sessions. Now, these Q&A sessions are not like lectures. They're just for me to hold hours. If you guys want to stop by and ask questions or if something is confusing for you. So I'm going to have the first one be Tuesday, the 22nd, our first day of class at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then I'll hold another one on Tuesday, the 29th at 6 p.m. And then I'll actually hold another one on January 12th. So it's a little bit of a gap at 6 p.m. That's just the day before our class ends. So if there's any final questions. So you can find the link to these meetings. So what you'll do is you'll click here. There's this tab called Online Meetings. You'll click on it and it'll load up. And you can see that there's links for the meetings to join at those times. Okay. But anyways, if as I said before, my name is Matthew Sokol. I'll be an instructor for the course. If you need anything, the best way to get in contact with me is with my email. It's matthew.sokol@sunywcc.edu. I'm going to be checking my email daily, probably multiple times a day, as we go through the course. So, if you need anything, just shoot me an email there. All right, so our course syllabus. So this is Math 140. It's statistics. This is a fantastic course. So my office hours, if you ever want to meet with me, like if those Q&A session hours don't work for you, just let me know and we'll set up a time that works for both of us and I'll hold the office hours via Zoom. There's my email, our website where you'll access the course, and our textbook. So our textbook is called Introductory Statistics, and it's an OpenStax free online textbook, which is great because it's free and it's online. So if you click here, there's a tab called Textbook Information, and you can see a link to our text. Right here, you can see the table of contents. And then additionally, if you wanted to purchase a copy, you can purchase a copy through Amazon. I wouldn't recommend wasting your money to purchase this textbook. Primarily, my lectures through the course will be the best way to learn the material, but if you want to have a book handy, it's there. But the online version is just fine. Okay. One thing you will need in this course is a graphing calculator. So a graphing calculator is required. And forgive the typo here about starting with the second week of class. You're going to need a graphing calculator starting the first week of class. So let me just show you something here. It doesn't matter if you have a TI-83 calculator that looks like this or a TI-84 calculator that looks like, give it a second to load up, that looks like this, okay? Either one will be fine for the course. And you're going to notice that my lectures in the course, a lot of the lectures are going to show you how to work the problem by hand. And then I'm going to show you how to use your calculator. And using your calculator, it just makes everything easier. So, have that handy. If you don't have one, you can download an emulator. It costs money online though, or you could get a used one, but you're going to need it real quick. So just make sure that you have it handy. Okay, so the course description. So this is a general introduction to statistical methods for all students in all academic disciplines. Topics include descriptive methods and the presentation of data, thorough treatment of the basic concepts of probability, techniques of statistical inference and decision making through hypothesis testing, methods of correlation and regression, and application of non-parametric methods in various subject areas. I know that, you read the course description, it seems like there's a lot of crazy stuff in here, but it's actually a really great course. One thing I like about this course is that it's designed for students in any academic discipline. So it's not just math majors, right? So, if you think about it, this course is going to be about statistics and data, and that's something that's applicable to the real world for all of us. So, no matter what your academic discipline is, you'll get a lot out of this course. I'll let you read the topic outline. I also have a video lecture about this later on in the class. I'll show you where to find that. But what I want to go through is how the course is going to be assessed or how your grade will be determined. So your grade is really made up of two things, assignments and one exam. So there's going to be 10 assignments in this class, each worth 30 points. So assignments will require you to download a problem set and submit your work via Blackboard to a little bit of a typo there, to me by the due dates listed below. So here's the assignments. So 10 assignments you can see. And you'll see that there's these lecture numbers referenced to them. I'll show you where that's found in the classroom. And it's very, very self-explanatory once you start looking through the class. But these assignments have strict due dates. Okay. I don't accept any work late. It's just to help you keep pace with the semester because the course is going to move quick and you're going to need to stay on top of your work. Okay. So all work is going to be resubmitted to Blackboard should have the following format. It should be a PDF, a Word file, an Excel file, or a JPEG. Okay. So if you submit a file that I cannot open, you're going to get a 0 on the assignment. Okay. So just make sure that the file that you're submitting to me is one of these formats. All right. Exams. There's going to be one cumulative final exam. The final exam will open in Blackboard on the last day of class and need to be completed that day. I'll end up probably posting it a little earlier than the last day of class, but information will be posted there, and I highly encourage you to come to the last Q&A session. All right, so numerical grades. So how are your grades going to be determined? Well, basically, I'm going to take your grades on the assignments, which total 300 points. It's 75% of your overall grade. Your cumulative final is worth 100 points. It's 25% of your overall grade. You can have 400 total points, and I'm just going to take how many ever points you have. So, for example, if you have 315 total points, I'll divide it by 400. Your grade will be a 0.79 when I round it. So that's going to be a C+. Okay. You can read the rest of the syllabus for accommodations and information on Title IX. But let me show you now where everything is located. So there's this tab here called Course Content. When you click on it, you'll see how I said that there were 10 assignments. Well, the 10 assignments are divided into 10 units of the course. Okay. And what you'll do is you'll click on a unit. So this unit 1 needs to be completed by Sunday the 27th. Well, it looks like unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3 is. And you can probably hear my son in the background as I record this video. But unit number 1, you click on it. And if you look it through the syllabus, what the syllabus said was assignment number 1 follows lectures number 1 through number 9. So if you look here, there are 9 lectures. Lectures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And what you'll do is, let me just click on, say, lecture number 4. You'll click on lecture number 4. You'll see there's an attached PowerPoint for it. And there'll be a little bit of a word lecture. And then I have a recorded video for you that follows the attached PowerPoint. So if I just click on this, then you can hear me talking. And I go through the PowerPoint. All right. Some of the later lectures, like let's go to unit number 9. You'll notice that there's going to be a PowerPoint and then a PowerPoint with my attached notes with it. Mostly that'll be because when you watch the lecture, you'll notice, you can even see it in the preview here, that I start writing on the PowerPoint. So you'll want to have that handy with you as you go through the lecture. So you can download both. You can download the one that's just without my notes and take notes as you watch through it. Or you can download mine with notes and watch the video now. But what you'll notice then, going back, is at the end of all the lectures for that unit, there'll be an assignment, okay, like assignment number 1. So the assignment's shown as either a doc or a PDF. What you'll do is you'll download it, and you can download the PDF and you can print it and type your answers, or you can download the Word document and you can type in your answers however you want. And then what you'll do when you're ready to submit each assignment is you'll click the assignment link here, and you'll browse to wherever wherever you have the assignment, wherever you saved it. So, just click wherever. I'm just grabbing any random thing here. And you'll just hit submit to me. And then what I'll do, these assignments are generally due Sunday of each week. I will grade everybody's assignment Monday morning. Okay, so you'll have immediate feedback from me on how you did on the assignment. So just make sure you complete each unit and the corresponding assignment by the due dates here. Next, there's this tab called Assignment Solutions. Every Sunday, you'll even see it here. Every Sunday after the assignment is due, Sunday night at 11:59 p.m., I will open up the solutions for you. So even after you submit it, that Sunday night, after its official due date, you'll be able to see the solutions. Okay. Next, there's a tab here called Discussion Board. If you ever have any general questions, you can post them here. I'll answer them within 24 hours. There's a welcome forum if anybody wants to, introduce themselves and say hi. Some students already have, and I've responded to them. There's a tab here called Student Grades, so you can see all your grades on the assignments. Here's the link to the online meetings, as I said. And then there's a Just General WCC Student Help link. You should budget in this course. You should plan to spend about 3 to 4 hours every day working. I know it seems like a lot, but what we're doing is you're cramming an entire 4-credit course into 3 weeks. So you're going to need to put in the time for this. So just keep that in mind as you work through the course. Again, welcome. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or swing by that first Q&A session. I'll be there so when I load up the Q&A session, I'll start it at 6. If nobody shows up after 10, 15 minutes, I'll cancel it. I'll stay and answer any questions for as long as people have, and I look forward to working with all of you.